Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to collect hardwood. To collect hardwood we need impact axe. In order to do it, let's go to work table and find tool. Select impact axe. To create impact axe we need fluorite, copper, softwood, quartz and axe. To get blueprint for impact axe, go to Zarin General Store. Right there you can find the blueprint. Next we have to go to Moonlight Forest to gather needed materials. For example, Stone Pickaxe to use copper ore. In the forest we can find more materials. Once we've got all materials, create impact axe and chop big wood. As you can see, we got hardwood from it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.